now take a look at the lasso tool in Adobe Photoshop, which allows us to manually select specific segments of a photo. To access the lasso tool, we press L, or to toggle through its subtools, we hold Shift and press L. Using the Polygonal Lasso tool, we can click on various sections of the photograph to create a selection.
As we complete the shape by moving the mouse cursor to close it, a circle appears next to our cursor, indicating the closure of the selection. If we want to subtract an area from the selected region, we can hold the Option key and create another shape to subtract from it. Conversely, to add areas to the selection, we hold Shift. It's only necessary to hold it for the first click, allowing us to add sections to our selection. To deselect the current selection, we hold Command on a Mac or Control on a PC and press D. Additionally, we can toggle through the options available with the lasso tool, including the traditional lasso tool for manual selection and the magnetic lasso tool for selecting areas with high contrast automatically.
With the magnetic lasso tool, a single click initiates the selection process without needing to hold down the mouse button, making it adhere magnetically to lines between different areas. This feature is particularly handy for selecting intricate shapes. To deselect any area, we can press Command or Control and D.